Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dominate the dark academia or vintage or school theme on the DTI Runway. So dark academia style is all about intellectual aesthetics, moody colors, and classic layered textures. So I'm going to show you how you can capture that squirrely, elegant vibe and win that crown. Now let's just get started. So here are the hair that I use for the look. You can use this two from the curly hair and this one from the wavy hair. And for the outfit, first I'm going to put on this long sleeves, this one, and use this beige color. And let's move on in here, put on this hat, and I'm going to use this patterns right here for the hat. Second review and a third one black, and leave the rest as it is. Put on this top, toggle it to number 3 and use the pattern. Make the material made like this, and then I'm going to also put on this right here, change the color into black. And you can also put on the socks in white color. And now put on the Mary Jane shoe in black color. So you can now go to here and put on this skirts right here. Use the same pattern like the top. Sorry, I forgot to put on this skirt in here. Use the same pattern and combine the top with this one with the same patterns here. Now you can just put on some accessories. So I'm going to use this sling bag in black color. And let me also put on this tie also in black color. I'm gonna use the adjustment in here. And then you can put on another accessory if you want to, but that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.